This is what a free Japanese maple tree looks like, everyone. Let me show you all. That is what free looks like. This is what they mean when they say Japanese maples grow well in pots. It survived a pot. Oh, I just dropped something because this tree is large. But you all, I hope you all enjoyed this channel. I am Essie Happily. I love to go to different nurseries to shop. I love plant hauls. And now I'm loving learning about roots. Look at that root. And how they grow inside the tree. All right, slow growers. I guess they die slowly too. That's why I got this in time. Very grateful. Very grateful. This wasn't gonna die. It took care of itself, you all. That's why I love Japanese maples. That's a new reason, because they take care of themselves. No, that's not the truth. Don't believe everything I say. All right. This is how I'm cleaning the maple up, taking all of as much soil as I can, removing it from the tree, breaking the roots up, as you can see. I'm breaking the roots up, waking them up before they have to wake them up before they go to sleep for the wintertime. Taking all weeds out. And let me show you. I have one over here. Excuse water hose, y'all. That's the ghetto. But this is true. The ghetto. This is my ghetto water hose. But, and now I'm just soaking the roots. I broke it up. Coming in here. Gonna see if the water is going to loosen it up as much as possible. Look at that root. Because otherwise the roots will just grow in circles, and then the water won't make it to the roots in the inside. When you water it, it'll move around it but won't get in the inside, and that will choke the tree out. So this was originally 165. This katsura turns yellow orange in the spring, but yellow in the summer. So I think that one will do really good. Although it's very upright, I need that color. I'm decided I'm going to see the best price on that one. I love that funky shape, but I think I'm going to pass. I'm going to just get this one here. This is to replace the orange flame that I did have, but it's growing embers. That's more upright too, but it looks like it's trying to grow over. Consider I want, but this big old green specimen there, that's going home with me. It was originally one. It's going to stay green. It's a Virtus. Virtus doesn't really change colors. Just that big show. That's going on with me. So let's see. Let's see the best price can give me on that one. Now I have several of these. I ain't even looked, but it looks like a regular yeah. Oh no, this is emerald lace. Let me look that one up, you all, really quick, because it looks similar to the ones I already have. Much $135 for all of these. Okay, they're going to do well. Oh, good job. Oh my God, I'm too excited.
And prune this off right here.
Okay. Yep.
They're real close.
On an angle so the water can fall off of it. Oh my gosh. Got one. Oh, it's in there. As a gardener, you have to have a truck for moments like this.
post
beautiful.
the pictures yet?
No, I'm going to let you know when I post a video on YouTube.
Okay.
They're home. They're home, everyone. That's what a free Japanese maple looks like. Oh my God, I couldn't get excited there because I needed to get home for it to be real. This is a free Japanese maple. Oh my gosh, I'm so humbly grateful. All because the roots are grown deeply down. I would lose a container, cut the whole bottom out. I'm going to take care of this tree. Thank you so much, Richard. Oh my gosh, look at this, you all. It's pruning time. I'm coming to prune. Backstory, I seen a tree like this that was over $200, and I said, I need to get my garden started. I need to work on the Kobe's dedication garden. And so I've done all of this in one season. Nothing was here except for that tree back there. And I was patient. Patience granted me this tree today. This is my pre-birthday. My birthday is in 2 weeks, and I'm forever grateful. I did lose something in transport, or probably when it just fell off, but that's the only thing that didn't make it. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful that there, you do not want, see, as you can see, the soil was up to here. You do not want the soil to come up here. All of this supposed to be exposed. And just plant to there. I'll show you the after effect. Exposed roots. And I broke up the bottom. Now they can breathe, because if you remember, this portion here was hanging out of the pot. So now the rest of the roots can live. I didn't lose any roots, I just broke it up. So this is how you know your tree or plant is not getting enough water on drip irrigation. You see how this moss and soil is wet and how dry it is over here? This side of the tree was suffering. So an example, that's probably why this limb here had to be cut, because this section wasn't getting water. So we have to pay attention. Sometimes just pull your trees out of the pots to see what's going on. One root growing out the center. Follow where I pull. You all see? Follow where I pull. Around. It goes from here all, you see that brown root, around. This is how roots grow in pots. Tree form. None of that should ever get wet. It's beautiful, exposed. That tree. Anybody opposed to this plastic stand inside of these roots? Oh, I've been working hard, you all. This free tree is truly a work. I haven't worked this hard. Oh, plastic, be gone. Be gone, plastic. Oh, I only got one more piece. It's in the thickest portion. Man, I think this would be a miracle, but just grow with the plastic in there. My gosh. No way I'm gonna. Wow, this had to be in there for years. I'm telling you all, like years. Any experienced gardeners can tell me how long this tree been in this pot for this to happen. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. How old am I? 30 years. No. It's home with me now. And it's going to survive. It better survive. I'm rooting for it. I'll talk to it. Ooh. I'll just get as much as possible. I got all of the other parts out. This portion, it's just a little. Maybe roots eat plastic. Shakia, you so silly. I laugh at myself, y'all. Man, I'm not even gonna be able to get up in here to get those roots. All right, so that's about as much as I'm gonna get. I'll try to break this up. Oh, oh, oops, I broke a root. Don't know, but y'all don't tell people that I'm the lady who got plastic inside my Japanese maple tree. Oh, this is gonna be our little secret. Bye bye. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. I'm gonna sit in some water, maybe water. I hope that tree ain't up there getting broke. Yeah, I'm gonna sit this all in some water, you all. That's looking good, right? Why nobody reminded me that if I broke open the bottom of that container there, this would be the only size container that I have. Oh well, it matches with my color theme. Oh gosh. Now I gotta Google if this, how long can I leave this inside of here? All right.
Gotta send pictures.
Okay.
When you get everything growing.
Yes, because I looked on your Google and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna add some pictures for his Google. Yes, because you know customers can add pictures for you.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do that. Oh, thank you so much. All right, bye-bye.